DWIZ time. It is now 9:02.
Ito ang FM radio ng Aliw Broadcasting Corporation. 98.7 DWIZ News FM, Southeastern Mindanao. Trending, viral, giving the latest news and information all the time. Serving the Philippines live on air and online. DWIZ News FM. Nagbabalita ng tama, naglilingkod ng tama.
You have been listening to 98.7 DXQM-FM, a commercial radio station owned and operated by Aliw Broadcasting Corporation, authorized by the National Telecommunications Commission with station permit number BSD-0326-2018, issued on May 24, 2018, to expire on May 23, 2021. DXQM-FM operates with a power of 10,000 watts. Our studio and transmitter is located at Shrine Hills, Matina, Davao City. DXQM-FM 98.7 is operated and maintained by the following personnel, duly licensed by the National Telecommunications Commission. Electronics and Communications Engineer Eugene Castro with PRC license number PECE 808. First Class Radio Telephone Operators Rudy Labrador with license number 96-1PXI-18528. Alan Sepe with license number 94-1PXI-2644. And Engineer Marvin John Escleto with PRC license number 49989. 98.7 DXQM-FM now concludes another day of broadcasting. Mga kababayan, ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas.
Bayang magiliw, perlas ng silangan.